Hello students, today we are going to solve a problem from GST that is the goods and services tax. Okay, so let us first go through the question. A consumer buys a refrigerator whose marked price is 36,000. So marked price is given, that is 36,000. So from where the consumer is buying the refrigerator from a dealer at a discount of 15%. So discount the dealer is giving the discount 15% discount. Okay. So if the rate of the GST is 18%, then find the amount of tax under GST paid by the consumer for the purchase. Okay. So first mark price, we know that any product, whatever is written on the product tag, that is the mark price. So after mark price, the dealer can give the, on top of that mark price, the dealer can give the discount. So after whatever discount the dealer is giving, so that is the amount that the consumer needs to pay. Okay. So we can say that the selling price of this refrigerator will be mark price minus your discount. Okay. So that is the selling price of the refrigerator with respect to dealer. So that becomes the cost price for the consumer, right? So mark price is 36,000 and discount is 15%. So what is the discount? Discount will be 15% on mark price. That is 15% of 36,000. So that is 515 by 10, 100 into 36,000. So if we multiply, it is coming 36, 15, 8, 6, 3, 540, 5400. Okay. So that is the discount rupees. So we have to, the selling price will be the marked price minus discount minus 5400. That is coming 30600. Okay. So this is the selling price. So that becomes the cost price for the consumer, the amount that need to be paid by the consumer. Okay. Now on top of that, the GST will be applied. Okay. So GST will be applied on rupees, right, on selling price, right? So that is 30,600. So GST is given as 18%. So now let us solve the first part. Number 1, the amount of tax paid by the consumer. Okay. So that amount of tax means the GST paid by consumer will be 18% of selling price. 18% of SP. So that is 18 by 100 into 30,600. So if you calculate, it is coming around 5,508 rupees. Okay, so this is the amount the consumer is going to pay for GST. Now let us solve the second part of the problem. The total amount that the consumer pays for the refrigerator. So the total amount will be total amount paid by consumer that is equal to the selling price, or you can say the cost price for the consumer, or this becomes the selling price for the dealer, right? Let me remove all this. So cost price of consumer plus the GST amount. So cost price of the consumer will be 36,000, sorry, 30,600 plus the GST amount. So which is rupees 36,108. Okay. Hope this is clear to you. In the next video, I will come up with another problem that we are going to solve. Okay. Bye for today.